Hi friends, welcome to Just Home Samyal. Today we will be seeing how to make quick and simple butter cookies at home. For this I am taking half cup of powdered sugar in a bowl and half teaspoon of cardamom powder. This is for the flavor. You can skip it if you don't want. And for half cup of powdered sugar I am adding half cup of butter. This is homemade butter. Mix it well. Make sure you break down all the lumps in the powdered sugar. If you don't have powdered sugar, you can grind the normal sugar along with the cardamom and use it for this. In total it will be half cup of sugar and half cup of butter. Mix it well. Yeah, it's smoothie now. Now we can add all-purpose flour to this. Now we will add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut. This will enhance the flavor of the cookies. If you want to add more coconut also, it will be like coconut cookie. So 1/4 is enough for this. And I'm adding in baking soda. This is half teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. A pinch of salt, you can add it. Mix well. Okay, I think it would be better if we use our hand. Okay, see, it's like crumbles of flour. So at this time you can add 1 tablespoon of milk so that you can make dough, a perfect dough. Yes. Okay, just mix together. Okay, now your dough is ready. Okay, once this is ready, I have kept the baking tray also ready with butter and flour, dry flour in it. Take a lemon size, a small lemon size dough and roll it between your palms and keep it on the tray. That's it. Okay, just keep all the balls ready and take a fork and just give a gentle pressure with it on the balls. It will spread and it will be flattened and spread on the sides. Okay, and it will give a beautiful design also to the cookies. That's it. Now we are going to bake it for 20 minutes at 180 degree. It's baked now. You can see the texture of the cookies. Yes, this is ready and we can store it in the airtight container. So very simple and easy to make cookies is ready. That's it. It will take maximum 30 minutes for you to do at least 15 cookies. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Just Home Samyal. Thank you.